Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Kiss your cat and record their reaction. His face.
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
My freaking cat got herself stuck in a jacket sleeve. She was so warm and happy despite all the chaos she was causing. Eyes to G, this finch is gonna kill me one day.
Oh no, I hope I don't fall. Now look at this.
And it went like...
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Are fucking helping. You did it. You're helping. You're gonna pick this up one little kernel at a time. And you're gonna like it because I'm fucking fed up with your bullshit. I'm gonna be a horrible father one day because of you fucks.
Let's try it. All right.
Did you just do that by himself?
Yep.
Wakey, 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 it's time for school. Come on. Wake up, it's time for school. Come on, man. Are you ready for school?
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Siri, look, it's right here.
Oh my god!
Dogs are like, this person feeds me, waters me, pets me. They must be God. Cats are like, this person feeds me, waters me, pets me. I must be God.
Hey, don't be surprised if one day I just...
Stop it. Love each other.
I touched my cat, and she thought it was the other cat.
You got this, buddy. No, he's gonna make it. Oh, shit.
He tried.
Mikey, what are you doing? Nothing? I don't think it's nothing. I think you're trying to get into the cat drawer.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?